live alone, so they constantly want someone to talk to. Jewish philosopher Martin Buber described this relationship as an I-you relationship. Here's another relationship. It is an I-it relationship that exists only as a monologue, not a dialogue. And in modern society, it is gradually replacing you. What kind of relationship are you living with now? Aristotle said that man is a social animal. This means that humans live in relationships with nature and other humans. Martin Buber divided these relationships into two categories, I-you and I-it. However, if it is a thing, there is no problem. But when you treat a human as it, the relationship is broken. This is because I-you treats the other person as a living human, just like you. But I-it treats the other person as an inanimate object, not a human. According to Kant, the best-known German philosopher, you is an end, and it is a means. Eventually, it is a matter of whether you see the other as an end or a means. German has second-person pronouns, du and sie, which mean you in English. Du is used for close relationships such as lovers, friends, family, and teacher-student relations. Sie is used for official and diplomatic purposes. Here, the relationship of du is the you relationship. It's a relationship where they can understand each other just by looking into their eyes. The power that builds this relationship is love, not trade. This is an I-you relationship, without any preconditions or personal interests involved. But sie is a relationship for trade. Trade has conditions, and because of these conditions, the person who was originally you becomes it. It's like lovers who consider the conditions before marriage and then break up after all. If you treat the other person as it, you will eventually commit evil. What is evil here? To use or harm another person as a means for one's own ends. What if we treat others as it in the network marketing business? Inducing people from other lines to move to your line with all kinds of sweet words, dumping, betting, false exaggeration, exaggerated advertising, selling ordinary products at high prices, and making unreasonable demands on sponsors or partners all happen when you see the other person as a means to your own ends. In the end, this will destroy our network ecosystem, and all of us, and further society as a whole, will be damaged. It takes tremendous effort to restore a relationship once broken, as with our ecosystem. But that doesn't mean there's no way back for us. It is to open your heart to others and wait for them to have genuine meetings and conversations. This makes it become you again. Creating a world where all of us, as well as organizations and society, live together. And maintaining an I-you relationship will be possible through your love for you, and furthermore, for your eternal soulmate.